In this series, we will cover how to make this cobblestone material completely in Substance Designer and entirely from scratch. This is not a complete beginner tutorial. It does require you have at the very least a working knowledge of Designer. That being said, I do explain all the reasoning and logic behind why I'm doing what I'm doing, and if you've seen any of my stuff before, you know what I'm about. There's 6 videos total, equating to just over 2 hours of your time. I tried to keep it short and sweet, while also going in depth enough to have some technique stick with you. We will cover height map and shape generation. We will look at techniques to develop foliage that you could use virtually on any of your materials. We'll walk through layering to build up an albedo map, and close out by giving you some ideas on how you could start building a roughness map as well. By the end of this series, if you followed along, you will have one completed cobblestone material, as well as hopefully a plethora of new techniques at your disposal to arm you with ideas on how to tackle your next solo material. To check out the videos, just click on the playlist in the video head here or down in the description. As well, I've got the videos up for sale on my Gumroad down in the description.